everything you've ever wanted to do is doing it.
Task of making order victorious over chaos or damage.
One that builds up and creates.
Manifest the idea. Now then, you see.
What's the secret to happiness? Finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life. What is freedom? Waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What keeps you motivated? I'm here, all of my dreams and aspirations are here, and the only thing in between these two is a bunch of work. So tackling that work is a way of moving this needle. That's all the motivation I need. I love progress in any manifestation.
Fantastic. Very obsessive about his work.
What are your motivations to get up in the morning? Laying in bed is stagnation. It's like I'm not doing anything. Get up, get out, and start the day.
If you take this serious, you will look upon it as more.
What's your best piece of advice for keeping yourself motivated on those days when you can't even? To sit around and say, I'm not motivated so I can't do anything. To me, it's the same thing as sitting around and being like,